Did you know that in most parts of the world, there are actually rules and laws for making wine? Centuries ago, in the ancient times, you just kind of made wine and you got what you got. But as the wine trade grew, particularly in Europe, it became more and more evident that a guarantee of authenticity and quality was going to be important in the market. And this is where the appellation system comes in. An appellation is a designated place of origin where a wine comes from. And the name is actually based off of the French verb appeler, which means to call or to name. Naming a wine after a place is not a new concept, but a formal set of rules and guidelines for making a wine weren't really introduced until the 18th century. Some say France had the first appellation, others say it was Portugal. Chianti, Italy, documented theirs in 1716, and Tokai, Hungary in 1730. Much later, in 1963, Italy introduced the DOC, the Denominazione di Origine Controllata. In a DOC zone, a local consortio or Ministry of Agriculture oversees everything, from the type of grapes you can grow, to your farming practices, to the way the wine is produced and bottled. Italy currently has over 300 DOC regions. The DOC system greatly improved the quality of Italian wines, so they decided to up the level. They came up with this, DOCG. The G in DOCG stands for garantita, which means guaranteed. A DOCG certification mandates a lab analysis of every vintage to guarantee its compliance. Some of Italy's most famous wines like Barolo, Chianti, Brunello, and Amarone della Valpolicella are all DOCG level wines. And there are just 77 DOCGs in all of Italy, so as you can see, it's a much tighter category. How can you tell if a wine is DOC or DOCG? You'll always find a seal of quality somewhere on the bottle. Most often, it's a band with the certification number located around the neck. So when you want to be sure that you're getting the best Italian wine, just look for the guarantee, DOC or DOCG, and you can rest assured that due diligence has already been done. For more quick sips videos like these, be sure to subscribe to the WTSO YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me today. On behalf of Wine Still Sold Out, I'm Marc Supsic. Cheers.